Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how an accounting computer system works in an easy step-by-step way. An accounting computer system is a digital tool that helps a business record, organize, calculate, review, and report financial information. It replaces many manual bookkeeping tasks and makes accounting faster, more accurate, and easier to manage. First, business data is entered into the system. The user may enter sales, purchases, expenses, payroll, inventory details, invoices, receipts, or payment information. This is the starting point because the system needs accurate input before it can create useful accounting records. Next, the transactions are recorded in digital journals and accounting records. Each transaction is stored with important details such as date, account name, debit amount, credit amount, customer or supplier information, and reference number. This helps the business keep a clear financial history. After that, the accounts are classified using the chart of accounts. The system assigns each entry to the correct category, such as assets, liabilities, income, expenses, or equity. For example, cash received from customers may go to cash and sales revenue, while office rent may go to expenses. Then, the system processes calculations automatically. It can calculate totals, taxes, balances, due amounts, receivables, payables, and other financial figures. Because the calculations are done by software, it reduces human error and saves time compared to manual calculation. Next, the general ledger and related subledgers are updated. The ledger works like the main accounting record of the business. Whenever new transactions are entered and processed, the ledger updates in real time so the business can see the latest financial position. After that, reports are generated from the stored data. The software can create invoices, trial balances, profit and loss statements, balance sheets, cash flow reports, expense summaries, and account balance reports. These reports help users understand how the business is performing. Then, the accountant or manager reviews the data. They check records, approvals, balances, and the accuracy of financial information. This review step is important because it helps detect mistakes, missing entries, unusual transactions, or compliance issues before final decisions are made. Finally, the accounting information supports business decisions. Managers can use the final reports for budgeting, tax work, financial planning, cost control, cash flow management, and business strategy. In this way, the accounting computer system turns raw transaction data into useful financial knowledge. Inside the accounting system, many important parts work together. These include input forms, a journal database, a chart of accounts, a calculation engine, a general ledger, reporting tools, user access controls, and backup or cloud storage. Together, these parts keep financial data organized, secure, and easy to access. Therefore, an accounting computer system is useful because it provides fast record keeping, better accuracy, clear financial reports, and smarter decisions. It helps businesses reduce manual work, track performance, protect data, and manage accounting tasks more efficiently. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.